How to change your Tangerine login email or username. Open the Tangerine mobile app or go to their website and sign in with your current login details. Once you're logged in, go to the settings or profile section where you manage your personal information. From there, look for the option to update your login email or username. Tap or click to edit, then type in the new email address or username you'd like to use. You may be asked to enter your password again to confirm the change for security reasons. After that, check your inbox if a confirmation email is sent and follow any instructions provided. Make sure the new email is active and one you can access easily, since it will be used for account communications and login. Once saved, you can log out and then try signing in with your updated details to confirm everything works correctly. This quick process helps keep your Tangerine account up to date and secure. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.